Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So today in this session, we are going to discuss about page scripting tool, which is introduced in Microsoft Dynamics 2024 release wave 1. We have already know about scripting. So scripting is basically help us to create some automated things, tasks that we can do somewhere. So Business Central also introduced a page scripting tool where we can have some scripts here and there, and then that scripts can be used for us to record the sessions. So if we needed any automated testing, which we used to do for the UAT purpose, then we can create those scripts for the actions which we want to do, and we can share it to the clients for the UAT, and it will definitely help us to perform some automated operations. So if you want to see the scripting thing, then you will find there is a page scripting tool which is there. Currently, it is into preview mode, but definitely it will be available in further releases. So once I click on page scripting tool, I need to click on start new to start it. And then we will find some steps. You can see it is already started recording. We are having the stop option to stop it. And then here also we have the option to create a new recording or to create or open the recordings. Now, if I would like to create a script for creation of a chart of account, I can do it. I need to click on chart of accounts. So once I clicked on chart of accounts, you can see here navigate to chart of accounts, and then page chart of accounts was shown. If I need to click on the new button to create a new chart of account, then here you can see the new GL account card was shown and your focus is on number. So if you want to have certain operations, like if you want to perform any number, you can mention that number, and you can see input this is as a number, but definitely you can change it because every account number will not be with the same number. So we can change it. I will showcase you how. I can also mention here the account name. So I'm mentioning test account. Then it is a balance sheet, and what type of account you can define categories and subcategories same way. You will find everything is here, which is focus, income balance, input income balance. So everything you can find here. Now, uh, if you want to stop the recording, you can do it. You just need to click on the stop button, and whatever the actions you are doing here will not be visible here in the scripting tool. Sometimes we need to use the copy and paste things. We may need to use some other features, like we want to make something optional. For an example, if I'm selecting here account category, I just want to make this step optional. If you want to select it, you can select it. If you don't want, you don't need to do. So what I can do, I will again start the recording from here. And if I select here assets, then currently it is mentioned select the account category, and but input one into account category. One, you can see it's assets because it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as an array. So the assets equation is one, but I just want to make it optional. So if we want to do anything as a optional, then it should be a confirm box or something. So if I select here this account subcategory, and if I want to make this optional, then I can click here and then mention it I just want to make this page as an optional page. I have selected. So here you can see if page GL account category was shown, then you need to select, otherwise you don't need to do. Sometimes after a step, we also need to have okay, some wait time. Okay, I just want to have when I select the account category, uh, I would like to wait for 2 seconds or milliseconds. So here I can mention 3000 milliseconds. So system will wait for these many seconds, milliseconds, to perform the next action. So that also we can do. Sometimes we may need, okay, we need to have, to paste some user ID that we want to have here. So if you click here page scripting, you can copy and paste the things. So if I click on paste session info, what's your user ID, so you can directly mention here, and then you will find the relevant thing. And if you want to do any validations, then you can also mention, like I'm mentioning here one validation, if the current value is admin or not. So these things we can definitely do. And if I do last thing, I mean, I will showcase you here page scripting, add conditional steps when if it is admin, then only the conditional steps will be used. So for an example, if we want to use some conditional steps on the basis of certain value, then we can do it. So it can be used if my posting group is this, then I will do this. If my posting group is that, then I will do this. Or if uh, my general posting type of is purchase, here I will select the general business posting group as domestic. So how I will do here? So you can mention here page scripting, add conditional, current value is purchase, then select here domestic. If page scripting current value, if I change here sale and mention here page scripting tool, current value is sale, then I will select here for an example export. So here you will find if general posting type is purchase, then this business posting group you need to select. If general posting type of sale, then this you need to select. And then if you want to stop the recording, you can stop it. And you can see this is recording has been stopped. Then you will find here the option, you know, save recording. Once you click on this, the file might contain sensitive data. Sure, do you want to continue? Yes, I would like to save. Then I can save this scripting. It is already there. Yes, I would like to replace. That is how we can create and use those recordings. Now, this recording we have already done. We have already saved. Now, if you want to play this again, right? So I know that this is not the account which I would like to use. So I can click on properties and I would like to use the new account 8, right? And we'll close it, go back. And what I will do, I will select the first step and will click on run as here. So what it will do, play. System is automatically running this script, and whatever the steps we have used, system is trying to use it. And where our script, is using, then system is automatically perform these actions. So these cases are very useful when we would like to, do any UAT. So you know that how frequently it has created the new account. And we can also get to know the status, which steps it is, done or which steps is not done, so that we can also get to know. We can also open the recording which we have already saved, so we can use those scripts again and again to perform the similar actions. So hope you have liked this video. please feel free to reach me in case of any issues. Thank you.